Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a tracking number to a Depop order from your desktop after you have shipped the items. So first of all, you need to come here on depop.com. Over here, you just have to first of all sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you sign in into your account, simply click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then simply select the option of your selling hub. Now over here you just have to choose the option of sold from the menu on the left. So it is going to basically look something like this. So when you are inside the sales section, you just have to simply find the order that you have shipped and then simply just click on it. Now a panel will going to open in the right hand side of the screen with the order details just like so, and here you just have to do nothing but to just simply look for this particular option that says mark as shipped. So as soon as you click on it, you just need to simply enter the tracking number which is provided by your shipping carrier. You need to also double check the number before submitting it, because Depop says tracking information can't be embedded once it's been added. So once you have submitted the tracking information, it will be added to the sale receipt so the shipment can be tracked. And this way you will be able to add the tracking number on Depop from your desktop. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.